Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure you have admin or root privileges and quit large applications to free resources. Once ready, identify the OS and whether the system uses swap or a page file, because commands differ. You also want to record current cache or VM tuning values. Now, open a terminal or command prompt. This is where you run the clearing commands. Execute the first safe command for your platform to drop file system caches. You'll get immediate memory reclaimed. Next, you perform the main actions. Run the OS-specific cache clear commands. On Linux, echo to /proc/sys/vm/drop caches. On Windows, use RAM map or PowerShell clear cache equivalents. On Mac OS, use purge or sysctl tweaks. Once done, monitor free versus cached memory so you can verify impact. If swap is involved, you may disable swap, flush it, then re-enable it to fully reclaim pages. Take it stepwise to avoid service disruption. To finish, restart services or applications that rely on caches so they repopulate safely. Then monitor system load and performance counters to ensure everything behaves. If you modified tuning parameters, make sure to restore them if overall performance worsened, because aggressive cache dropping can harm throughput. If something goes wrong, check system logs, undo the commands you ran, and if necessary, perform a full reboot. That resolves lingering kernel state problems and returns the system to a known good baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.